it's time for a holiday, it's great to visit a new place. And if you don't want to stay in a hotel, today it's very easy to find an amazing holiday home. And in Cornwall, in the southwest of England, there are a lot of holiday homes. And some of these holiday homes are quite unusual. This is Bedrifty in West Cornwall. 2,000 years ago, there was a village here. The old houses were round, so they are known as roundhouses. And today, you can stay a short walk from this old village here, at the Bedrifty Roundhouse. This roundhouse was built in 1999. It's the same size and shape as a roundhouse in the old village. It's 13 meters wide and 13.1 meters tall. Inside, there's only one room. There aren't any windows, but the roundhouse has electricity, so there are some lights. You can sleep in a comfortable wooden bed. And there are some wooden benches and chairs to sit on. There's a fire in the middle of the room, so the roundhouse is quite warm. But there isn't a kitchen or a bathroom here. Luckily, very near the roundhouse is another building called the Lantern. Guests can use all the facilities at the Lantern. There's a small kitchen with a cooker, a toaster, and a kettle. There's a table and 2 chairs where you can eat. There's also a small modern bathroom with a shower. The Bedrifty Roundhouse is an unusual but lovely place to stay. This is the Trelisic Water Tower, a very unusual holiday home near the beautiful River Fal in South Cornwall. The tower is over 150 years old, and it became a home in the 1970s. It has 3 floors and one very narrow staircase with 49 steps. There's just one room on each floor. At the top, there's a nice kitchen. All the cupboards are the same round shape as the tower. There's a fridge, a cooker, and a microwave. There's also a place to sit and eat. Downstairs, on the 2nd floor, there's a very small living room with a comfortable sofa. There isn't a bookcase, but there are some books next to the window if you want to read. There's a TV, and there are great views to the park outside. The bedroom is on the 1st floor. It isn't very big, but it's lovely. There are 2 bedside tables, and there's a big mirror on the wall. Unfortunately, you need to go outside and through another door to use the bathroom. The Trelisic Water Tower is a fabulous place to stay for a holiday. Three kilometers from the beautiful beach of Sennen Cove, there's another amazing holiday home. From the back, it's just a small green hill. But from the front, you can see that there's a fantastic house under the grass. This is the bunker. The bunker was first built in the 1940s. It was a safe place to work during the Second World War. There are two doors into the bunker. Inside, the large main room is a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen. In the living room, there are two brown sofas and a coffee table. There's also a TV and a small bookcase full of books next to a brown armchair. There's a lamp on the bookcase so you can read at night. The kitchen is very modern. There's a new kettle and a large cooker and microwave. It's a great place to cook. In the middle of the room, there's a table and 6 chairs. And near the table, there's a piano. There are 4 bedrooms in the bunker. 2 of the bedrooms have big beds and their own bathrooms, with fabulous showers. There aren't any windows in the bunker, but there is sunlight from outside when you look up. You can see the skylights on top of the bunker. The bunker is in the middle of the countryside, so it's very quiet. In front of the bunker, there's a bench where you can sit and eat in the sun. So where do you want to stay on your holiday? In a hotel? In a roundhouse? In a tower? Or perhaps in a bunker? You decide.